A couple weeks ago, I purchased the Bauer surface conditioning tool and put it to the ultimate test on my 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. I used it to get rid of this nasty patch panel that I put on 2 years ago. Oh my gosh, what a nasty sound. I am so ashamed that I did this, but hey, I'm putting it out there on YouTube. What better way to get roasted on the internet than putting your most embarrassing things on YouTube?
So dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Anyways, using that Bauer surface conditioning tool really helped out removing that nasty old patch. The end result is pretty amazing. I used the 40 grit drum and it made that metal so shiny and smooth. Look at these results. If you want to see all of my amateur hooky poo body restoration mistakes get fixed and see this Jeep get a second lease on life, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Every Wednesday, I call it Wagoneer Wednesdays at 7 p.m. I upload a brand new video on the Jeep Grand Wagoneer, so make sure you stay tuned because I have so many things planned for this Jeep. Before I move on and forget, if you're wondering where the wood is, I took it off 2 years ago, and I've also done a ton of other things to the Jeep. So if you're interested in seeing what else I've done to the Jeep, go on over to my channel and check out all my older videos. So about a month ago now, I drove my Jeep to my friend's house. I have a friend that is willing to help out and work on the Jeep and get it all fixed up and ready for paint. Very grateful for this friend, and here is a little bit of video footage from that journey.
Woo! Look at the plane. What was up with that Chrysler 200 though?
Man, wild drivers out here.
They don't know what it is.
I want to make a special shout out to my friend Reed for helping me bring the Jeep to my other friend's house so we can start on the body work. Alright, home sweet home. Here we are at last. The Wagoneer is in its natural habitat in the quote-unquote body shop. First order of business was getting the old rusted on rear bumper off of the Jeep. When my friend and I attacked this job 2 years ago, we failed at getting the rear bumper off. When we finally got it off, it was a huge celebration. So I never thought in a million years that thing would ever come off. A couple weeks prior, I bought some patch panels for the quarters on getallparts.com. I spent $134 for 2 quarters. And here in this picture, we're just trying to figure out why the ends are overlapping and hitting the taillights. Later we found out that these Wagoneers were created and designed kind of weird. If you've ever heard of this, please let me know down in the comments below. We found out that the quarter panel and the taillight pocket panel, they both get rolled in and folded and welded together. Thought that was very strange. So that's why the quarter patch panel comes back and overlaps and hits that taillight pocket. It's because the quarter patch panel metal needs to be bent and rolled in, just like the OEM quarter. Again, let me know what you think about this down below. I'm pretty sure that's the whole ordeal that's going on here, but if I'm wrong, please correct me down below. Here's what I got right here. Gonna be buying this bad boy right here. If you've enjoyed what you've seen so far, please hit that thumbs up button. Let me know what you think about the video and the progress on the Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Tune in for next week's video. We are going to be putting that cutoff wheel to the test and making some big holes for these new quarters to go in. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.